Okay, this situation just went from messy to full on chaos. We have got lawsuits being discussed, a cancelled show, cheating drama, and even about jail times, all happening at once. Let's break down this because this is insane. First, everything resolved around Taylor Frankie Paul. After the Bachelorette season got cancelled, reports are now saying that some of the contestants might actually sue the show. Apparently, a few of the guys considering legal action against the network and producers because they feel like they gave up a lot job opportunities for a show that never even aired. But it's not just about that. They are also claiming the environment wasn't safe, saying Taylor had a controversial part and still got put into close situations with them. So now the question is who's actually responsible here? And here's what it flips. Because now there are rumors that network might go after Taylor too. Yeah, yeah, they could ask her to return the money she earned from the show, arguing that her controversy caused everything fall apart. But legally, it's tricky because her past wasn't hidden. It was already public before she was cast. So, if the network knew and still chose her, it's going to be hard to blame her now. Meanwhile, Taylor's herself is not staying quiet at all. She is being super active online, replying to comments like nothing happened. At one point, someone even questioned why she was on her phone during all this, and she was basically responded like, "What do you want me to do?" So, yeah, she is not backing down. Now, the contestants are in a really weird position too. Even though the show is cancelled, they are still stuck in contracts. They can't speak freely, they are under NDAs, and this could last for months. So, imagine going through all this and then not even being allowed to talk about it. One contestant even said the whole experience feels like a complete waste, and it doesn't stop here. The Taylor's ex husband also started hinting at things online, reposting videos about the past, basically suggesting there more to the story. And yes, he confirmed it was actually him posting. Now let's just talk about show itself. Momon vibes. Because somehow there's a spin-off happening. Even when all this drama, a new version of show is reportedly being planned with a new cast and a different location. And people are confused. Like, why start something new when everything is already falling apart? Now, behind the scene, things might be even worse. There are claims that more information hasn't come out yet, and one of the cast members has been actually confirmed that. So clearly, we're not even seeing the full picture. And finally, there's another huge twist. One of the cast member is now going through a divorce, and it's getting serious. There are cheating accusations from both the sides, a restraining order involved, and even rumors about legal trouble. So, yeah, the situation is getting deeper by day and day. At this point, everything is uncertain the show, the lawsuit, and the relationship of all this up in the air. But one thing is clear this drama is far from over. So, let you tell me do you think this show can survive all this? Because right now it's looking really messy.